the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what I'm struggling would be. In my friend's state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I would draw. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. So between a lover and a lovely begun, you're heading for disaster, 'cause you never will shine. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, now all I ever do is bring me down. Oh, how would it be to stand in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? Oh, doesn't make any sense to me. Every way I know about you. Yeah, yeah. Too much love will kill you, 'cause I'm sure it's not at all. It'll create a power that's in you, make you bleed and scream and groan. The pain will make you crazy. You're nothing to my best friend. Too much love every time. Too much love will kill you if you make your life alive. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you are the reason why. You said a song, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you.